Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lori and today we're going to be unboxing some skincare products from Kiehl. Opening packages is my favorite thing to do, so let's get started. I'll try to link the products in the description box below in the order that I mentioned them. I love when YouTubers do this. It's so helpful, so hopefully it can help you out too. The first one we have is this little kit from their Calendula collection. So they have the cleansing foaming face wash and then the mask as well with calendula and aloe soothing hydration. They also have the powerful strength line reducing concentrate, which has vitamin C in it. I love that one. And then the facial cream, which is a 24-hour moisturizer. I'm excited to try the mask and the face wash. I love the powerful strength line reducing concentrate, especially for my smiling lines. I don't know if you guys have those, but they get deep and dark. So I use that and it helps lighten them up and then plump your skin so they're less noticeable. Next we have their Ultra Facial collection. So it has the cleanser in it, which I've used and I really love because it's very light on your skin. It also has the facial toner, which you use after the cleanser, obviously. The creamy eye treatment, which I'm excited to try. I haven't tried that one. It's with avocado in it, and then another ultra facial cream in it, like the last one. Next, another set of the powerful strength reducing lines. So I just got a set of two. This one has pure vitamin C in it, L-absorbic acid, 2% vitamin C, and I can't say that word, hyaluronic acid, whatever. I'll put it on the screen because I can't say it. But yeah, these are really, really good. I definitely recommend this. I already have one that I'm finishing up. This is just restocking. Next, this is the Lunar Year Brightening Delights. So it has the calendula herbal extract toner in it, which like I said, you use after the cleanser. It has the clearly corrective dark spot solution, which is one of my favorite. I also got the cleanser, the foaming cleanser that goes with it. And then the calendula serum infused water cream, which is supposed to be very light, but I'm excited to try that one. And then the Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask, which I like to use whenever I feel like my pores are congested. This one is very, very effective and it really declogs your pores and leaves your skin super smooth. So like I said, I got the foaming cleanser as well. This one is supposed to be clearly corrective and reverse noticeable skin discoloration. I can't talk. Discoloration for an overall improvement of the skin clarity. I've used the serum already, but I can't wait to try the cleanser. Then I got this cute little kit, so cute. So this one has the Ultra Facial Cleanser in it, the creamy eye treatment of avocado, the Ultra Facial Cream, the clearly corrective dark spot solution, and then a hydro plumping retexturizing serum concentrate. So I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. First of all, it looks like this. Is so cute. It says limited edition. So it has the Ultra Facial Cleanser in it. This is more of a travel size, I believe. So I could bring it if we ever get to travel again. Who knows? And then it also has the creamy eye treatment with avocado. Anything with avocado, just, I don't know why it appeals to me. Let me see if I can open it. This is what it looks like. I believe it's very soothing. Your skin under the eyes or around the eyes is very sensitive. So this should be perfect. And then it has the Ultra Facial Cream by Kiehl. It's a 24-hour daily moisturizer. It's a very lightweight and hydrating formula for healthy looking skin with glacial glycoprotein in it. This is what it looks like. It is fast absorbing and provides water replenishment throughout the day by absorbing moisture from the air, for continuous comfort and moisture balanced skin. The Ultra Hydrator helps to strengthen your skin barrier as well, and is formulated with olive-derived squalane, which is highly effective as helping to maintain your skin moisture, and also glycoprotein, which is extracted from microorganisms in the sea glaciers, as notable for its ability to thrive in extreme climates. So this should last all day, which is why it's a 24-hour daily moisturizer. So this is the perfect addition to your daily skincare routine. You can use it either in the morning or at night, as it will keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. It comes in a 1.7 ounces size, so it's perfect for when you want to travel. And then this one is the Hydro Plumping Retexturizing Serum Concentrate. So tiny. And then the Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution, one of my favorites. I've been using that one for years. And then last but not least is, I think it's my favorite in this whole package, is the Butter Mask for Lips. This one is with coconut oil and mango. So it's an overnight lip treatment, but I use it like daily. Even during the day, it's perfect. It's very moisturizing. So like I said, coconut oil and wild mango butter. It smells amazing. I love it. So yeah, that's it for today's video.